Hi everybody. I believe my camera may have cut off the last few minutes of filming this, so I wanted to just do a quick overview of it before I get into the time lapse of me completing this pocket letter. This pocket letter is made from the Unicorn Utopia from Hunky Dory. It was available at Artistic Studio Creations Etsy store. I will link the store below and the Hunky Dory line, but this particular one is no longer available. But if you check back there on a regular basis, they have amazing images. And when you see a paper pad for sale and you like it, definitely grab it because they go super fast because the artwork is amazing. So in this pocket letter, it's pretty simple. Some of the cards are just the 2.5 by 3.5 cards, and when you do a pocket letter, you put it normally in like a page protector for baseball cards. So I have that. I didn't put washi on the spine because my intention is to put everything in a binder. If you're interested in a pocket letter from me, if you want to swap pocket letters, just email me. I want pocket letters from all over the world. I think that would be super neat, and I'm willing to send them also. The good thing about pocket letters is the shipping is inexpensive because you can put it in an envelope. So some of them are just full cut images like this one, and then some of them I backed on paper, and I used purple glitter cardstock, and then a 6x6 from Michaels. Just added a button and some ribbon, and then some of the Tim Holtz sayings. This is a full image that I cut in half to put it in the pockets. And the other button is down here. And then in the back I made these tiny envelopes with my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, and you can make these with the regular size punch board. You don't need the mini one. And so I have 2, 4, 7 of those, and I just put some offcuts from some of the images on a few of them because every paper has so much stuff going on. Like, I cut and used this part of it because there was a unicorn up there too, and this is like an offcut, so you can see how cool that is. So I got my 7 envelopes full of goodies. I have my washi tape and my letter there. So anyways, let's go into the time-lapse video, and you guys have a great day. Head on over to Artistic Studio Creations to get your goodies and everything you need for crafting. We'll see you later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.